everyone. Today we are here to present a small skit. The title will get to be known at the end. Here we see fingers falling with each other.
Hello, I am great. People used to say, keep it up. No. I'm great. People used to give signals. I am index finger. Oh, no. I am the longest. I am great. I am middle finger. How can you say that? I am great because people put beautiful ring on me. Stop you all. I am the greatest. Without closing me, you can't hit the thief tightly. I am the little finger.
I guess we are not able to set up the scala properly. They need a judge to settle this issue.
Let's try to solve the matter. I am keeping this apple on your plate. You come one by one and pick up the apple. Oh, it is very easy. Oh, I lost it. Oh, it is very easy. I lost it. Oh, it's very easy. Oh, I lost it. Oh, it's very easy. Oh, I lost it. Oh, it's very easy. Oh, I lost it. Okay, now come together and pick up the apple. That's amazing. You must understand when you are very important. When you are because unity is strength.
Yes, as it is very well said, united we form, united we stand. The topic is unity is strength.